It's still time cap.
What the fuck? Oh. I take these tennis balls, make an indoor board.
Old OPP office.
Oh my god, look what I found. Look what I found. Look what I fucking found. That's coming. Holy fuck, someone ran.
Some part, a little bit of character to it.
Not really. There's no blood, bruh.
There's never other light. There's always this on the camera here. And then this bathroom light.
Swear to God, someone just.
Like, I don't know, it's kind of seems bad, but like, something about it. I started looking in the windows and shit.
Alright. I just need one more of those tennis balls. Let me get back. What? Oh, those are Dutch.
Yeah.
My dad's got some of those.
From 72, 73.
Thank you.
It's not the year.
This is cool though. It's so funny. It's like right down the street from me.
Yeah, no.
Super cool.
I didn't even know about it for so long. Yeah, these guys were Dutch or something because it's like Holland and then all these fucking little trinkets. You guys want to go Urbex Joe's house?
Who the fuck is Joe?
If that's 986, that's the next house right there. Joe house, you said?
Oh, it's right over. Yeah.
Is it actually abandoned or is it your friend's house?
I feel like it's gonna be a friend if he knows buddy's name off the heart like that. Joe. This place is cool.
Alright, I get 2 fire extinguishers that I get to spray.
If you guys probably look close, you guys would probably find it.
Find what?
You take that, you guys. That'll be helpful.
Bro, I don't have my bag.
Acting like you have no hands.
Like take the store marbles.
Fuck no. Okay, I don't think there's... I'm gonna leave the tennis balls here unless I find one more.
Bro, why the fuck does the basement look like a cave?
I know.
Yeah, there's everything's down there too as well.
Oh shit, I didn't see this room.
I found, I don't know if they're real or not, but I found.
Alright, that was useless. There's nothing in here. Who's outside? Yo. I wanna go to the basement? Where's Chris?
Inside.
Yo, Chris. Where are you? You're in the oh.
Where are you guys, at the basement?
They're outside. I'm going to the basement. You coming?
Basement?
Yeah.
Sure.
What the fuck?
Oh, it's fucking low.
Well, this isn't the actual roof.
There's the flooring.
Oh, what the fuck? Yeah, but look, it's like it's not actually...
Oh, that's just fucking...
Fuck, this is like my dad's house.
Oh.
Low clearance, watch overhead. Yeah, why'd you fucking have to make it even lower? Yeah, wait, we gotta get around. Some weights. Oh, a Dutch soccer ball.
That's what I'm saying. Like,
What the fuck? Yo, wait. The fucking floor caved in over here. Yeah, wait. There's just a hole. There was a pill.
Oh,
There's
gas carabiner. And another one, you want it?
yeah, I already got like 3. Wait, we go by real quick. Oh wait, I'll just go sign in there.
Oh, shit.
I was really about to grab that, but I couldn't reach it. Oh hell. Whoa. Fucking good luck getting through here. Stuff in my pocket's not making it any easier. I'm over here. Fuck, what is in here? Jam. get over this. Wow, that's a lot of bikes. Jesus Christ. And a bed.
What?
And a bed. Yo. There's some nice ass like stage lights. Fucking stage lights.
Probably a fucking, I don't know, bar.
Nice BMX with some pegs. There's a bunch of chairs down there. I think those are ski boots. They're down there. Yeah, same. Owen? What is it? Okay, I gotta go.
Where you gotta go?
I was gonna say I'm gonna go to the car and put my stuff in it, but I don't think I can. I have my bags in the front seat, which is the one that's hard to get to.
No, get one here, like just to bring it, and then you can empty that bag out.
I don't even see a bag in here.
It should be. Not here. I don't want to touch the clothes.
Some gloves. Home phone. That's an annoying sound. What is this? 60th birthday. Wow. Alright, we got the cable. Let's tow the car out of here. What is that?
Gloss. What? Oh, it's spray paint.
Spray paint. Is that actually spray paint?
No.
Oh.
Through coating.
Are they all the same?
Yeah.
Oh, I was gonna say, if the spray paint, let's fucking grab that.
Skates.
Helmets, JVC. Yo, are these like the home ones or VHS? Which one's this? Is this like a movie or it's a personal one? Space ABBA Part 1. What's up there? Well, actually, I actually know I did.
Why do they have so many light bulbs?
I know.
That's so shit, like on and on. Like in bulb.
GTO parts catalog.
Oh, what the fuck? Look at this flat screen.
Yeah, I know, I saw it. Superstructures. Yo, I might have to come back here sometime, or I might have to go back to the car and grab my bag so I can get these books. Alright, yeah, stay here. I'm gonna be back in a few minutes. Alright, I'll be back in a couple minutes. Alright, wait, do you think you can put down my window so I could grab my bag?
Fuck, just going through the other side at that point.
Well, I gotta reach in and grab it from the front seat. Oh, it's heavy. I can almost. I'll put that in with my shoes. A second roll of duct tape.
Yeah.
So I already have one in there. And a globe.
I grabbed one of those from that house.
No, I grabbed
They're
one.
like Gorilla, the Gorilla Glue tape.
I mean, those are pretty handy though.
When you need it, you know.
A roll of tape.
Alright, I'm going back in. I gotta grab some more stuff. Alright, we're still waiting. Yeah.
I found checks.
Checks. Have they been cashed?
I don't know, dude. Royal Bank of Canada for $3,970.
Probably a paycheck.
Yeah, they're paychecks, but I don't know.
Yeah, they're probably all cashed. There's more Canadian Tire money on the ground.
Yeah, there's only one, I think.
It's a $5. It's 5 cents.
5 cents.
It's fucking nuts. Oh my god, there's so many spices.
Yeah, I saw that.
There's a Hot Wheel. Looks like Camaro, maybe. Wow, there's so many spices.
What kind of mess is it?
What?
Oh, shit.
What?
I wonder what
Oh shit.
Switzerland. I got 2.
This might work. I'm gonna take that.
Is that not my shit?
No.
Yeah,
Actually, yeah, it
that's
is. Yeah, it is. I've seen that in like every house today.
Right.
And ever.
I'm trying to find.
But they're all dead now because it's fucking cold and there's no heat.
Yeah, it's just fucking dead. I mean. I need one.
Oh my god, bro. I don't have one.
Look for one. Look for one.
I don't have one, bro.
Look for one.
I don't think there's gonna be a second. This is like so unsafe having like a bunch of unsheathed knives. Hey, can you find me one? I'm gonna go look somewhere else. I'm gonna grab this structures book in a bit. Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Spy, the last lecture. This guy read a lot. Oh my god, there's fucking Sudokus and stuff. Birds, vegetables, butterflies, Fred Dale's garden book. Wow. Maybe there's another chess book. Scientific adventure. Chess. Yo, there's an envelope labeled chess. Yeah. Yo, there's cassettes. No, it's not check, it's chess. Like the game. It's got a newspaper in it.
Did you check the? Yeah, we already checked the office, right?
Oh, wait, it's got puzzles. Wait, they used to have chess puzzles in...
What year?
I don't know, it doesn't say. Because it's not at the top. Fuck. Two Dad.
Oh, we got this. You got some rope.
Oh, shit.
For like the car, maybe.
Yeah, that's not strong enough.
If
We'd
you
have to, like,
fucking tie it like
fucking
double 3.
Quintuple it.
I doubt it, bro.
That thing could probably only hold like 100 pounds. And that's like a 3,000 pound car.
Yeah, you're right. It's a 300-pound car.
It's not 300.
You're a 40-pound car.
I'm actually 120. The Encyclopedia of Cooking. Paul Walker. VW Beetle. I remember Paul Walker. Oh, wait, there's a calendar. 2011.
2011.
Oh, March 2020.
I think we're good. Where'd you exit? Oh, yeah.
Yo, there's shit from March 2020. There's shit from COVID. Yeah, March 2020. Oh, it goes as late as December. Some VHSs and cassettes. Oh, toilet paper. That's probably from COVID. Six. Whoa. I think my grandpa has something similar. I'm looking for more chess books. Folk medicine, you and your health, welding. This guy must have been a fucking great guy. Just to like be around.
Alright, I'm good to go.
Oh wait, I'm just gonna look for a bit more.
I'll catch you outside.
Alright. Alright, yeah, I think that is everything.